Hello students, welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. So today we learn about 10 lines on summer vacation. Summer vacation is the long holiday during summer season given to students. All schools and colleges announce summer vacation due to extreme temperature. It is mostly announced from June to August month. It is also a way of safeguarding children from the scorching heat of summer season. Children feel very happy and delighted throughout the summer vacation. In the summer vacation, most of the children go to their native villages for holiday. They also travel to some famous cities of Pakistan and historical places. Many children go to hill stations, resorts, and religious places also. In summer vacation, children are fond of eating tasty fruits like mangoes, watermelons, coconuts, etc. Children pass their time by playing various games and enjoying with their friends and neighbors. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe my channel.